Okay, so now that you have made your nails all beautiful, come in and give them a little buff. So I'm just using a little, give it a quick smooth over after we have used the nail file. Like a more coarse file, like 100-150 grit, and it will just remove any scratches or lumps and bumps and just really smooth over the nail and cuticle area. Now, give the nails a cleanse with some IPA alcohol just to remove any dust, and they're nice and prepped so you can come in with a gel polish. Now the beautiful thing with acrylics is you don't have to do a base coat for the gel polish. So what I like to do is come in and put some gel polish just on the brush. Too much gel polish is going to just flood into all of your sidewalls and cuticle area. So you need to make sure that you're wiping off a fair bit of the gel polish on your brush and then just placing it down. And I just like to just slowly bevel up and then use your brush to come around to the left and use your brush to come around to the right. And you can just kind of squidgy off just very lightly almost any excess gel polish, because you don't want your acrylic nails to get thick again from all the hard work that you've done from your acrylic shaping. So just come in and do that on all 10 nails. Cure for 30 seconds to 60 seconds depending on what gel polish system you're using, and then come in and do a second coat. Now you may need to do 3 or 4 coats, but generally it's 2 coats and then a top coat. When you're doing nails, make sure that you have a little brush that's handy. You can dip it into some IPA alcohol. I like to call it a cleanup brush. And it's basically something that's quite small that you can clean up things like smile lines when you're doing French, but also as a rule of thumb, especially when you're starting out. That is it, guys, and hope you have enjoyed.